Alright. Got the plastics washed at the car wash. It's freezing today, but the sun's out, but it's freezing. Oh no, that looks terrible. I gotta do that over again. This fridge ain't the greatest. Oh my god. I did get the plastic washed at the car wash. It's cold. Oh, you can see my breath. It is cold, man. Everything's gonna freeze up in here. I did wash this out. Sprayed it yesterday. Came out nice and clean. I don't like the way the black looks at the marks on it. WD-40. That came out clean. That came out clean. A few more pieces. Get her another polish and good to go. Oh my god. Jesus. Gotta love the car wash. Gotta love the car wash. At least the sun's out now. It's gonna kind of dry these up a bit. Oh my god. One more piece and I can put it all together. One more piece, which is on the other side. Oh, everything is frozen. Freezing up now. Holy jeez. One more piece, that's it. Washed and clean. Wipe her down. Polish it up one more time. I don't like the swivel marks. These black fridges, people like them. I don't know why. I can't stand them. The dirt shows so bad on them. So bad. Finally, some sun. Whew. It is cold in here. I gotta clean that glass somehow. I do have rags. I gotta get into it. Look at all the plastics my buddy brought me. Never run out of plastics now. Give me some good rags here. And start cleaning. Wiping them down. Maybe some paper towels. At least the sun is out. The front came out okay. Just the side. So I'm gonna dry all these up and install them in the fridge now.
What you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed.
Great, I can't figure out how this was in here. Oh my god. It's not even, it's just a Kenmore crisper. It's not even a Whirlpool crisper. How the hell was this piece in here? I got this out of here, I just don't know how it was in. Doesn't make any sense. Oh my god, crazy. Let me try the crispers. It's not even the right matching one. So if that goes there, oh my god. For the love of God. That way. Oh my god, how was this? So that would have had to been there because the other crisper is smaller. Doesn't make any sense. Crisper doesn't even say what make this is. And the other one was here somehow. Oh my god. I can't figure this out anymore. How was this situated? Oh, for the love of God. Let's put these both in here and see what happens. This is crazy. Sorry for the... So obviously this has to go here somehow. Somehow. There's no gap for that to go in. There's nothing to set on it. Like, how would this go in here? I gotta figure it out. Oh, Lord. What was there? Oh, there was something there. Unless this tray was there? No. Can this tray go there? No. I don't remember. I don't remember how that was set. There's obviously a piece missing here. And I don't see it. This is insane. A flat piece. I thought I seen it yesterday. Why put it? I don't know. I can't wait to get my own shop. This is crazy. Can't work like this. Where's that piece now? It's just a flat piece. Oh my god, what do I do with it? Maybe it's in the truck? I don't know. I gotta find that piece. I figure it out. I got the glass. And I looked on the glass, you can see the mark where it was sitting on the glass. So I got her in. Oh my God. Look at the crispers. They're frozen still. Maybe the sun will defrost them a little bit here. The sun is out right here at me. Let it dry out a bit. Just gonna find that tray here. There was a tray that sat in here. Open the doors, let the sun get to it. No more fridges like this for me. Even though it was 60 bucks, it's too much. It wasn't in the greatest shape, it's too dirty. And still, right, when the sun shines at it, you can see kind of marks everywhere. Stay open, will ya? Let the sun get it a little bit here. Dry the inside a bit. Oh my God, I got the back piece onto it. I don't know if you can see here, but I did get a back piece onto it. Good thing I had a spare one. Good thing for winter washer cleaner, it doesn't freeze. I'm getting a lot of messages, a lot of calls, a lot of messages. Okay, let's let that dry. Get rid of this crap here. I'm glad he brought it to me, right? Just don't have the space. Just gonna make some space. Look at this, it's even got the drawers in it. Yeah, he went to the scrapyard. It's funny, they let him go through all the fridges. They don't let me. Every time I go to the scrapyard, dump scrap and look for stuff like this, they tell me, get out of there, you can't go through that. And it's only plastic. I don't know why they give you a big problem. They can't recycle plastic. Like they only do scrap metal. But anyways, yeah. So I'm glad I have all these pieces. I normally don't do fridges, but you know what? Fridges are high demand right now. Jeez, they're asking for fridges like crazy. I'm getting calls. Any more fridges? Do you have any fridges? I'm looking for a fridge and a stove. I'm going to be selling that 24-inch stove this weekend, and the guy wants a fridge. So I got another white fridge. Just got that this morning next door to my other unit, and I got this black one here. So I'm trying to get this one put together and do a little cleanup and call it quits. Go home and relax. Good morning, YouTubers. Today is Saturday morning. I looked in my truck there. Someone stole my windshield washer fluid. You believe it? Who would go steal windshield washer fluid out of your truck? Like it's $2 to buy, for God's sakes. Bunch of thieves around here. But anyways, I got a lot of appointments today. I got like 6 people interested in appliances today. I gotta go there now and start digging them all out, getting them all ready. So today is a good day for Carmack One, guys. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Just warming up the truck here. A nice full tank of gas here. Alright, get it warmed and start a new day today, guys. It's gonna be a nice sunny day. Cold, but at least the sun's out, guys, right? Alright, stay tuned, guys. Alright, I gotta pick up any time now for washer and dryer. And then I gotta get ready for the other one. Gotta dig them all out. I don't know about this fridge here. I don't know if you guys can see. Still got some awfully marks on it that don't look too good. I don't like that. I can't get them off. I don't know. Might have to reduce the price on that one there. That's all to it. Okay, this one here is a Kenmore I was working on the other day. Gotta check the lid switch on it. So we'll do that one quickly. Switch these guys here with my fancy tripod here. There we go. There's our view. So the screwdriver or something, hold down the hatch here. No continuity, which is good. That is good. We'll use a paintbrush. Alright guys, that's how you check your continuity on your lid switch. Put it on continuity. Alright. put your progs in there to know which ones you're supposed to hit. If you look at your old wire here, if you see the plug-in part here, just look at this wire here as a reference. It'll tell you right there the two end ones, the brown and the gray one. That's what you're gonna check. The green is the ground. So you check the brown and gray. So you stick it on the brown and gray, put it on ohms, and you got continuity. Oh, there you go. That's just these are wiggling back and forth. Okay, you know the lid switch works on this washer. Okay. So we'll plug her back in here. I think today's gonna be a beautiful day, guys. I cannot believe it. It's getting warm with the sun. So today's gonna be a good chance for me to organize after everybody does their pickups. I think there's someone coming for the stove, washer and dryer outside, a washer and dryer next door, my other unit, and it was something else. I'd have to see. Quite a few. Let's see. Then I'm gonna organize this place. Try to get my area here cleaned out. A few more weeks, guys. I'll have my shop. Gonna be amazing, guys. Like and subscribe. I'm gonna have a nice shop near an office. Gonna be amazing. I'm gonna show you guys a little trick here. Get yourself some WD-40, a Brillo pad, right? It's like sandpaper, but there's the only piece that I got left. You soak a little bit of WD-40 and see this here? Take your thumb. This is a bit of rust, right? You can see. Okay, kind of almost got rid of it. But anyways, it blends in. You can blend it in. It's a little bit WD-40. And if it's really bad after you do that, clean it with alcohol and you can paint it quickly. So I'm gonna do this part here. But you know how you get marks? It takes marks right out, see? Just like that. Like you see down here, you can see marks, like scraping marks. It's kind of like black marks. It'll take it right out. Right? Just lightly like that. I'm trying to make it nice and look present. Then you take your rag like that and you give it a nice wipe, buff it out, and there you see the difference, right? I just did this part, buff it out. Right, that's gonna need a little bit of paint. It's not a big deal, but I still see marks down here. Blend that in, make it look like new. All right, you see any more marks right here? All down the ledge here. From me working on it with dirty hands. And just get yourself a rag. You can use Windex after this too. Just make sure you got it all out right. Because you don't want to leave oil on it, right? Even though it's good for the machine, it will never rust. But yeah. So I'll just touch that little touch-up paint there. But there you go, guys. Little trick. Yeah, I already painted the corners there. It's gonna need another coat, as you can see. So it's looking a little bit better. Try not to paint the chrome part, but it's gone. Okay. See the front here? You can see that haze. I don't know if you guys can see it. You got like scum, soap scum. Take that off. Just take the Brillo pad. Just push it in there. Like that. Take this off. And stick the Brillo pad inside here too. And just go right down all the way as far as you can. You can use a screwdriver for this or anything, but it will clean the inside. Like, see all these marks here? And it's gone, see? Another mark. You'll give it all the marks. Some marks down here. Down here's gonna need some paint touch-ups. So we'll just grab some paint and wipe her down. Nice and shiny. All right. Wow, it's gonna be a beautiful day today. It's gonna be a beautiful day. This fridge here, oh my God, look at the front of it. Look at that. Oh my God. Look at it. I can't sell this. This is terrible. I'm going to sell this fridge at nighttime. I don't know, see? I'm going to tell my buddy, man, fridge is that bad condition. I don't want no more. It's just too much. Too much. Oh my God. Too much. I'm going to lose money on this. Well, not really. Look at that. That's actual rust through the paint. Oh my God. $100, get rid of it. I paid 60. Oh well. I profited what? $100. $40 profit, better than nothing, right? Alright, I'm gonna try to organize this crap here on the floor. Get the stove out of here that's ready to go. Up front there, so I have more space. Alright, all my stoves are down one row. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For this one here, I need 3 burners for it. I got used burners, but I want to get good ones like this one. I'll have to go pick some up in the appliance store and get all these stoves ready to go. And that's a whole row of stoves there. Put my washers. I made some space here. It's looking better. Move these washers on this side here. Okay, I better get ready because lady's on his way. Will you per e-transfer or cash? Cash if possible. Alright, waiting for the customers at the front gate here. Still a beautiful day. And someone just messaged me for a stove here. There you go, it's got another message. So I can do $380 for the stove. Alright, cool, good day. Alright, there they go. With the washer and dryer. That's too bad. I should have told him I would have taken his washer and dryer. Because he said he had a Kenmore exactly the same. He just threw it out because it wasn't spinning. So it's probably the lid switch. Would have gave him $50 off the price, and I would have got a washer and dryer back. Alright. Alright, the sun is out. What a beautiful day. So I'm more organized now. If you guys can see down the aisle here. All my stoves are on one side. You can walk right to the back now. I got this open space here. All my tools are on the bench. Got my tool cart. Buddy gave me this. He thought I could use something like this. I can wheel around. Wheel it around to my patients over here. But yeah, I got my bench back. There you go. I got all my stove switches. Knobs, bucket of knobs, tools here are my tools, my briefcase. I'm not doing much house repairs now because of COVID's got so bad high. We're on lockdown, so I'm just gonna stick to my stuff in here. Heaters, looks a lot better now. Bunch of plastics here, I don't know what to do with them, so I'm not gonna worry too much. More parts there, more dryer parts there, oven parts, all kinds of parts. I don't even know what I have anymore because I can't really get to the bins and all that. Once I get in my shop, it'll be all organized. All my parts will be somewhere. I know what I have. Right now, I don't know what I have in parts. So yeah, more parts here. Can't wait to get all organized, get all those parts somewhere in shelves. But a lot nicer now. Okay, time to go home. Come back later on. I got a few more people coming later on too, so I'm not gonna stick around here even though it's nice and warm out now. But I don't really have anything else to do. So we will go home. Yeah, so I'm gonna reduce the price of this. It's nice inside. Really nice inside. It's just that the black never came out good. My opinion, I hate black fridges for that reason. Alright, lock up and get out of here, guys. Time to go home. Get this one up. Make sure I got my keys, yeah. Last time I locked my keys in there, and that sucked. Okay, I'm gonna lock the other unit now. I'll show you guys quick as I lock that one there. And this is the other unit. This is sold. This washer, whirlpool, and dryer is sold. Getting delivered Wednesday. What else? This white fridge is sold. Guy's picking it up with a 24-inch stove. And that's it. Time to get out of here, guys. Going on home. Alright, guys. Carmack 1. Don't forget to like and subscribe on Appliance Flipping. Take care, guys.